Before our trip to Japan, we stayed at the Hyatt House near LAX, which is a great option if you're looking to reposition. It is only zero point 0.2 miles from the airport, and they do offer shuttle service. So now let's take a look at the room. All right, so this is room 1400, Hyatt House LAX. Nice and spacious. You come in, there's the minibar here. Everything is overpriced, so I don't recommend it. $10 for popcorn. Come on. TV, very comfortable here. I believe this is a sofa bed too. Small kitchen. We're just here for a night at the airport, so we're probably not going to use it, but good to know it's available. And then here's your king bed, closet. Here's your restroom. It's a walk-in shower. Pretty nice. Refillable shampoo. You got your towels. And let's see the view. And then yeah, that's cool. So if you like seeing planes take off, it has a nice view to the back of LAX. So yeah, not a bad property. Again, we're only here for one night. So if you're looking for a repositioning hotel, or if you're arriving from a long flight overseas, great hotels to stay in. It was a Category 3 property, about 12,000 points. Cash rates were about $200, $150 to $200. Might vary based on the dates, but yeah, overall seems like a good property. So here at the Hyatt House, they have these cool buttons outside, kind of like Royal Caribbean, where you have to select the floor outside before you go in. So don't forget to do that. Main restaurant here is the Beacon. Here's a quick glimpse at the menu. You can find the menu, full menu online. On the PH penthouse level, you got the pool. Pool is nice, one of the nicest Hyatt House pools, and it has great views of the runway. It's like another bar area at the top, but it's not, I don't think it's operating. Maybe for like private events and stuff. And there's more sitting outside here. Looks like you can get cool views of the other side of the runway, but it's closed right now. So the gym is on the 1111 level. Nice selection of machines. Looks like the weights go up to 85. You can really lift some muscle. 95. You got foam rollers available. Kettlebells. So yeah, overall nice gym. One of the nicest, most spacious ones I've seen at Hyatt houses, Hyatt places. Both hotels do share the same common amenities like the gym, so keep that in mind. Conference rooms are going to be at the bottom. Now, while the website mentions complimentary breakfast, when we checked in, we ran into a sign that said that breakfast is only included if you're at least a Discoverist or above World of Hyatt member. I'll take that with a grain of salt because when we checked in, they didn't really ask us anything. We just walked in, so I don't know how much they enforce it. Otherwise, once you're done with your stay, it's just a quick shuttle to the airport. Overall, I would say we had a great stay here. We would definitely do it again if we were looking to reposition and be close to LAX airport.